It takes a special kind of reckless idiot to blow a stop sign into an intersection from a blind corner. I hope that when they wreck, which they will eventually, that nobody else gets hurt as a result. That guy was going almost double the speed of the dashcam driver. I think he had to go poop and relieve himself.
Ah! What the? Are you kidding me? For real?
I hope their damage was much worse than yours. People need to experience that actions have consequences. Seriously, don't leave this to chance, guys. Grab a dash cam so you always have proof. I've linked a good one in the description. Check it out.
Wild. Because I guess like I'm like, yeah, I guess you wouldn't want to go to like some random like regular convention. Oh, hold on. Ah, karma! No, this is a change.
It is crazy to me how there was no reaction when he went flying by, but the police were far behind him. Where I live, that alone would have made the news. I've seen people get confused by the green arrow, but the follow-up idiot adds an extra layer of stupidity. Or just on their phone, seeing other cars move and they just go without paying much attention to it.
Are you? You were like 6 feet off. You were, buddy, it's 2 lanes. You were 6 feet. You are over the line. You are over the line. It's 2 lanes. It's 2 lanes. Buddy, you were 6 feet over the line. What do you want me to do?
This guy was going a little too fast, I think, on this snowy road that made him slip and lose control of the car. One must drive with proper attention and assess the conditions around him. That's it for this one, guys. Honestly, seeing clips like this just reminds me how fast things can go wrong on the road. I really want you all to be safe out there, so please, don't leave your safety to chance. Grab a dash cam so you've always got proof if something happens. I've linked a solid one in the description. Go check it out. Drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.